I lost my voice. It's not all the way back. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, lately, since we've been on quarantine, I've been doing a lot of do-it-yourself projects. So, I was in Brianna Simone's chat, and she always talking about candles. I like candles also. And to me, they never last long enough, and then sometimes you buy them, they don't smell strong enough. So, I came to the conclusion, I'm going to make my own candles. So, my package finally arrived. So this right here is just a basic candle making kit. It comes with the instructions, a mixing spoon, a melting pot, a thermometer, the soy wax that you make the candles with, the fragrance, the candle dye, the center device that you place in there to put your stem, and the glue dye that sticks the stem at the bottom so when you pour your wax in there, it doesn't move out of place. Cotton wicks that you like. Okay, so this is the kit. See, it's called Candle Making Kit. I got it off Amazon for like $40-something. And been watching a lot of videos. So initially, this is the wax. Oh. Yeah, the smell too. It comes with 6 of these. This is my learning, this is my learning kit so I can learn how to do it. Then I buy extra stuff, you know, for me to make some extra candles. Okay, so this is the wax. And this looks like the thermometer. It's the thermometer. See, because you got to measure the wax before you put the fragrance in and dye in. There got to be certain temperatures. Okay, this is the wax, the thermometer. Okay. This is the little centerpiece and the wicks. And let's see, got nothing else in. This is a little nice size kit here, but I want to learn first. I'm going to do my own thing. So these are the wicks. I told Brianna I'm going to send her one so she can tell me where I fucked up at. But this is the little dye packs. You know, to get your color. And we have sapphire, lime, dark blue, purple, dark orange, and bright yellow. Okay, this is the little pot that I melt my wax in. I melted. Check the temperature. It's temperature right. I put the dye, whatever else. But I noticed a lot of people say you have to write down exactly what you did because you can make something that's so fire and don't remember how you got there, and then bam, you know, you lost. You don't know how to get back. Okay, these are little canisters that came with this kit. Okay, here's my stirring spoon to stir my wax as it melts. So I have this. This stirs the wax. Okay. Excuse my nails. This set lasted me a good while, so it's time for me to redo them. I had an accident with this one, so I don't have a nail on it because I'm kind of injured right there. Got a little crazy with the drill, but these are the colors that came in this kit. Okay. And it smells good in here. It's oddly strange because these are the scents. Okay, let me smell it. Move this out there. Put all this back in here. Or I lose something. Okay, I don't celebrate the 4th, but I will be eating. Oh, I think something waste. That's why I can smell that. It smells good, whatever it is. This one right here, I don't know if it got injured up on the lip. This lavender oil. That's why it smells good. This is the lavender oil. Oh, excuse my fingernail. It's injured. That's lavender oil. Yeah, I filed 2 for it down, and yeah, I had like a hole in my finger. This cinnamon, and I see my Spilly Boy pen. Okay. This is peppermint, and this right here, I haven't even opened it. I don't want to waste nothing. Yeah, it got the little thing. This vanilla, this smells good. So I like a like fruity baked goods type smell. So I order extra stuff for like my projects I'm gonna be working on. This is lemon. I'm sorry, I wasn't even smelling this. I smelled that vanilla though. It smells good. And the lavender, because the lavender kind of leaked out a little bit. And I don't know, one of my phones is going. This is eucalyptus oil. And I don't think I've ever been interested in them. So. Oh, it's stank. See, I like fruity stuff. This like a woodsy type. Like people like that. I'm just not one of those people. It's like a woodsy, like oak, mint, all that, like a woodsy like smell. That's not me there. See, I'm more of. Let me put this out the way. Okay, this is everything that came in the kit. So I'm gonna show you what the extra stuff that I bought once I finished my experimentation of training myself. Yeah, after I trained myself to do this. Let me put this back in here. Excuse me for a second. Okay, I bought extra stuff. I bought some more wax that I have to melt for the candles. That's wax. So you know how the wax look. So I don't even want to open this. But this is more wax. So I plan on making a lot of candles. Once I perfect them, I'm gonna try to make me some money off of it, so that'll be like another residual income. So this right here is more of the type of scents I like. These are the holiday essential oils. So I ordered more oils so I can give me some fruity baked smells, because that's what I like. Excuse me for a second. Excuse me, I was being fast. Okay, I'm back. Had to take a brief intermission. I had to go get something to open this with. So this is called Holidays Desserts. This is more of my speed. I like these type of smells. So I have candy cane. Let me smell it. Probably smell like peppermints. I don't want to open this stuff because it'll waste. Yeah, it smells minty. Candy cane. Let me see what this is. Gingerbread. I know this smells good. Ooh, that gingerbread smells good. Girl. This is peppermint. I don't know why I had to have peppermint and candy cane, but okay. Yeah, basically it smells the same. Okay, and this one here is brown sugar. I didn't know brown sugar had a smell, but we're gonna see what it smells like. Brown sugar, right? I don't know. I don't know. I can't. It just smells sweet. I just can't say what it smells like. This is red cherry. You smell this one. I be glad I know my voice back. I just got a slight smell, a cherry smell. It's not real strong at all. Okay. I ordered this on Amazon also. Okay, I got Snickerdoodle. I can't barely smell this Snickerdoodle, so I don't know. Maybe it might smell good and put that heat to it while I make it. Let's see what this smells. This one is pumpkin pie. That smells good. Pumpkin pie smells good. Hot chocolate. Chocolate. Mocha. Ooh, it smells like chocolate too. It's strong. I smell the chocolate in that one. Okay, this is cinnamon. Yeah, that smells good. And the last one is apple cinnamon. I'm pretty sure that's gonna smell close to the cinnamon. Ooh, no, that smells like apple cinnamon. That smells good. So, I tried to use the top heats, you know, because we're dealing with candles. I want myself to smell good. And then I ordered me some little mason jars that I would use to put my own candles in once I've mastered the technique of candle making. And I will do a video once. I'm gonna do a video when I make the first batch of this. Okay, this is the jar. I got like, I think it's 12 4-ounce jars, if I'm not mistaken. I got 12 4-ounce jars. Make the candles in. Yeah. And I got some little labels. They haven't came yet, so I should get my labels tomorrow. And finish. I get my finished product. I go back and actually go through the steps after I do a little more research. I would come back with my candles. And I told Brianna I'm gonna her some candles so she could tell me yay or nay. So she's a candle expert. Okay, so yeah, this is my next do it yourself project. Candle making. And you're gonna see how long this lasts. Yeah, the last one was my nails. It's time for a refill. I messed this nail up, so it's gonna be a while before I put a nail on here. I got kind of happy with the drill, so excuse that nail. She hurt. She'll be all right now. But yeah, now this quarantine is teaching me a lot of new skills, and y'all gonna spend with me. Y'all gonna see where I mess up at that y'all gonna know not to even try it. Okay, so enjoy your day. Have a happy 4th tomorrow, and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with probably gonna do a makeup video tomorrow. Cause I'm gonna do some makeup. Cause I got a cute little outfit for tomorrow, even though I'm not going anywhere. So I'll come back with a makeup video, and then I think the next video most likely will be me making some candles or showing you how they turn out, because I'm not that advanced to be trying to fool no high wax and filming nothing. I got a vlogging camera, but I don't know how to use all that stuff yet. You know, so okay, I will be back tomorrow, and subscribe to my channel now. Don't just watch the video and don't subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.